Right.
Thank you very much for giving me opportunity to speak here. Everybody, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I think, in my opinion, for this Ramadan and Idul Fitri, it is much better than we have on the last Ramadan before, on the last Idul Fitri before. Because 1 or maybe 2 years ago, we still restricted by the government and by the rules and regulations that proposed to us and and force us to obey. That we, even the Tarawih in masjid, we should not held in masjid. We should do it at home. That what makes me really sad to know that Tarawih is only happen in special month. But why government do that, and why government makes the Tarawih disappear from masjid to masjid? And what makes me also sad to know that the sub from masjid to masjid is really rare, really very berjarak.
Oh, distancing.
Distancing.
Government makes the sub distancing to each other. It is maybe around 1 meter or maybe half meter to prevent the coronavirus. But you can see space. Make a space. That what makes me really sad to know that even our ulama and ustad tell us that the perfect salah is when you close to your friends and make no space. You must make everything close to each other, something like that. And also the last Ramadan also much better because we allow again to do Tarawih and visit family, but we must go home and go to visit our family far from the day of Idul Fitri. For example, we should go to hometown, should go to the countryside 10 days or maybe 20 days from the celebration day. Because on the day that the government stop us and ask us to do they don't want us to visit our family. That what makes me really upset, because my family and my grandma is far away from my hometown. We should visit them. How can we visit them if the government prevent us? That's all. And also this Ramadan much better, I think, much better from the last Ramadan. Okay, thank you.
Right, any question? Alright, Miss Rian. That's one more question from me. Saying Idul Fitri celebration, did you shake hand with your family, with your hometown there?
I think, yeah, for some reason we didn't have handshake, because in my hometown
Bule
it's
Aceh.
red zone and
Bule Aceh.
It's a red zone.
Musafir Bule Aceh.
Almost it is like in every Ramadan, every our celebration
Chicken
day,
dari
it is
kau.
going to be red zone. But in another religion celebration, it is not red zone. What happened?
Oh yeah, gampang.
But the coronavirus, I think it is also real to happen, because the victim is so massive, so many people died because of coronavirus. Yeah. Even my neighbor.
That's because coronavirus, right? I got bad.
I don't want to make my families in countryside get infected by coronavirus. So me and my family from my town, my city, when we go to countryside, we delay to handshake. We postpone. Maybe if the condition was better, we can do handshake again. So we just
After the green zone.
after the green zone. So we just asking forgiveness,
Yeah,
but just
Doing gesture.
just doing gesture. That is the hardest thing.
Ya, sawadikap.
So what about the physical distancing? Is that doing in your hometown?
Physical distancing.
Yeah.
I think physical distancing also happen in the great malls, not
great
in
malls.
the small malls.
Oh, yeah.
Small malls,
got that.
maybe in my village, there is
Wow.
physical distancing. Everybody get close to each other and shake each other, but still red zone.
I'm a clown today.
But
This
how
is
can
very
we
happy.
Become afraid, yeah. If we die, we die. So something like that. Yeah, we just do the best. We just prefer the best. Everything happen, we already do the best.
At least, wash your hands, business. Yeah, that's already good.
Even some ulama said that if we die from coronavirus, we counting to be martyr.
Ya, man. Nah, sahih.
That's it.
So, that's it. Thank you.
Alright, it's a clear ball. Have a question? No, no question. Right.